Yeah, I was just going to make a brief video. I'm sitting here by the boat pound. There's the boat pound, sitting on the beach. Late in the morning. It's like 7:30. Watching the sea come in. It's low tide right now, but so the sea's starting to come back in. But what I was going to say was, you know, if you look out there for long enough, or not long enough, sometimes, I tell you, man, there's some weird things in the sea. Sometimes something really big will come up. Like, there are flags out there. One or two. Not many. Look. I'll show you so you get an idea. So you can see it's mostly sea. But every now and then, I tell you, man, you'll see something big come up. And you think, what the heck is that? Real big. I'm saying real big. Like, when it comes up, you think to yourself, what is that? Like, you see the arch of the back, and then it drops down again. Look, there's one there now. Dude, freaking just saw one. Oh my gosh. I should just leave this thing running, I tell you. Man. There's some weird things out there, man. I don't know. I don't know if they're classified or whatever. Whew. Oh, I love it though. Oh.